Alright, so Craig brought me some rails. You can see I ain't got none, so he brought me some. And we're gonna slap them on there out here in the field. I don't know if you can see me, I hope so. We're just kind of winging it like a little baby bird. Oh man, that looks way different. Looks good, huh? I'll put a couple of these on. Put a couple on so you don't fall off on your head as you get under. Just FYI. Alright guys, so that took about about 10-15 minutes maybe to get that on there. Not bad. So we're gonna finish it up and I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, we got the rails on and it comes with the Rubicon rear rails, but apparently the Mojave has a different rear bumper than the Rubicon. We didn't know that, but so I'll score me a rear bumper off a Rubicon. I think I know a guy that's got one in an attic. So yeah, so I'll be in another video putting the back ones on. I did get the supports on there on, just not the rail itself. It bolts to the bumper too, so for more support. But I think it turned out pretty decent. It looks good. A lot better than them stupid steps. But yeah, not too shabby at all. So we're fixing to get on the trail. They're tired of waiting on me crawl all around this thing like a little spider monkey, so we're finna hit the road. So I'll see y'all in a little bit.